Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a 2018 Ford Focus RS and this is by Matchbox from their moving card series. And this costed me $399, which is the MRP. So let's unbox this. I think this is the first car I am unboxing with this particular packing. I don't remember actually buying any casting with this set of packing. So this is recycled paper or cardboard, whatever it is. Yeah, you can see here recycled metal, everything is recycled, but they are still charging the same price. Okay, let me show you the card art, guys. Here it is. Okay, that's too much light, I guess. The card art looks really nice. I'm really hoping it has the same amount of detailing to it. Let's see. Okay, there's a lot of dust here. So why don't we just get into the macro mode? Yeah. So out of the box, the casting looks really good, and it has headlight detailing which is painted. You can see the grill details are not there; it is just painted. The Ford logo, it doesn't even look like a Ford logo. That is totally messed up, which is really disappointing, as usual. And it has tail light details as well, and you can see the number plate here. And at least on the rear, the Ford logo looks really good. It has wiper details that looks really nice. It does have wiper detail on the front as well, looks really good. It has rear view mirror detailing and it has interior details, but yeah, that is not a generic block of circle, I guess. Yeah, that looks different actually. I'm hoping that you guys can see that. These are actually a little bit tinted, so it is a bit hard for me to show you guys. Okay, so the rims are actually, like standard set of rims. It is nothing special. I do like they actually embossed the door handles here. That is not paint, that is actual metal. And it's metal body and plastic chassis. So apart from that, since it's a moving part series, let's try this. Okay, okay, that is actually tight for a change. This is actually tight. I was hoping that it would be loose like they always do. Okay, it does have engine detailing to it, but it does have good amount of engine detailing to it. They painted a lot of things there like they normally do, but at least the rest of the things they gave some kind of uh, depth to it. Because even the last set they released this moving parts which we did unbox sometime back, I mean long back, it is just a solid piece of metal. I know they just painted here and there just to look like it is showing something. At least this time it has some level of definition to it and depth to it. On top of that they painted it. So honestly, these kind of things measure it does really better compared to even compared to Matchbox or even Hot Wheels. Okay, so that is really nice, and this clicks back in place for a change. That is really nice. Good thing to be honest. It doesn't, just come out. Okay, so let's weigh this casting. Let me go back. 36 grams, not bad. Honestly, it doesn't feel really that heavy while I'm keeping it in my hand. But let's do a roll test now. It rolls good. Second try, third try. It rolls good. It may not be the best one, but it actually rolls better than a lot of other Matchbox and Hot Wheels. So one more thing which I missed to show you guys, you can see the exhaust details here. It looks really nice. I really wish they had some kind of chassis detailing to it. That would look absolutely amazing, but they didn't. But anyways, this is a really neat casting. So if you guys are like if you are able to find this one, my suggestion would be get it because it looks really good. It does have all the detailing to it, and even the engine detailing looks really good on this one compared to the older Matchbox series, I mean moving part series. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye. Okay, guys, I forgot to mention one more thing. So I forgot to rate this casting. So I was really, honestly, I was really happy when I was, looking at this one, even you know, the Jeep which we unboxed yesterday. So I totally forgot about rating this one. So this is a 10 out of 10 casting from my end. So again, once again, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.